we at? Drift Indy. So we're out here with Drift Indy today. It's just an open drift day. It's raining. Well, it's sunny, but it's very wet out. It's pretty wet. Track's very slippery. It's like ice here. I've spun like 10 fucking times in the rain. And the dry ripped. Did good. So we're gonna go out, do some more skids. Hopefully don't blow this thing up. I've been running the wall, which I need to chill on. I just got my car done. I'm not trying to tear it up yet. But yeah. Oh hi, I'm pooping. Oh yeah, so we tapped the wall. It's alright. Just barely scraped the bumper, bent the exhaust, pried it back out. Looked good as new. Little scrape on it, but I'd much rather have that than a busted taillight. Can't really afford Type X taillights anymore. It's dried up, track's grippy. Yes, I'm actually pooping, but we're gonna go back out, get some more laps in. But yeah, we're gonna keep driving, hopefully not wreck or blow it up. Had to show off the daily. warm up, which I don't normally do, but I don't feel like blowing a transmission today. it for me for the weekend. I probably did 60, 80 plus fucking laps. Nothing broke. Never had to pop the hood. The only thing I had to do was change tires, only once. Towards the end of the day, it pretty dried out a lot. I was able to actually get some dry laps in. So far, so good. Car drives good. Stock heat brake doesn't really work, so I'm going to have to hook up my hydro this week. Put a new fan in it because it was getting a little hot. Other than that, that's it. I'll see you guys maybe next week. But yeah, peace out.